Welcome. In this video we are going to see how we can review the sent notifications. So go to Notification Center and go to Review Notification. Okay. So over here we are able to see who sent the notification, to whom it was sent, what was the message. If you want to check what was the attachment, we can check the attachment as well. Also, what was the destination. Now in case if what time it was sent, what date and time it was sent. In case if you want to resend the same notification again, you can click on resend and you can resend the same notification one more time. We also have different filters like from which what type of notification or from which date to which date, in case if you are going to if you want to search for any particular notification that was sent. Also there's a facility where you can download this report into an Excel or a PDF file as well. You can also search for the notification and you'll be able to see the filtered results. Thank you.